In this guide, we will walk you through the steps to interacting with the 2D viewer in Catenda's mobile application, Catenda Site. In either the Topics menu or the 2D 3D menu, start by finding the topic board navigation and filtering area towards the top. In either the Topics menu or the 2D 3D menu, tap the topic boards drop-down. In the Topics menu specifically, tap the looking glass to filter on text in the title, description or comments of topics. In either the Topics menu or the 2D 3D menu, tap the filter button to filter on topic metadata. After tapping the filter button, the filter menu opens up. Filter on topics assigned to you, requested by you or created by you. Filter on topic status and type. These may be different depending on the topic board you are in. Other topic board filters may include labels, milestones, due dates and location. After applying the filters, resulting topics that have a location marker are displayed in the 2D viewer. Tap on a marker to select the topic that the marker belongs to. See information about the topic that the marker belongs to in the 2D viewer. Tap on the arrow in the marker information, or tap on the Topics menu to view details about the selected topic. Back in the 2D 3D menu, pinch two fingers away from each other to zoom into the 2D viewer. Zoom in to view a room name and open the Settings menu. On the top right of the 2D viewer, click on the gear icon to open the 2D viewer settings. Change THS spacename format to short. Change between short and long format to view the different floor name options. Pinch two fingers towards each other to zoom out of the 2D viewer. Drag on the divider between the 2D and the 3D viewer to change the screen size ratio between the two viewers. With a 3D model open, drag on the 3D cursor to move the camera position in the 3D viewer. To change the story that is displayed in the 2D viewer, tap the story selector and select the stories you want to be displayed. Be careful to have the right stories enabled when creating topics, so other project members know the topic's whereabouts. Tap anywhere in the 2D viewer to create a new topic. Tap on New Topic to open up the topic creation page in the Topics menu. Topics that are created in this manner will automatically have a marker attached to them. In this guide you learned how to interact with the Catenda Site 2D viewer.